Welcome to Mark Bayeski YouTube channel. How you all doing? Got the ladies in, all good today, feeling great. Must admit I'm feeling great because not only am I cleansing myself daily with sage, I'm putting the oils on as instructed by the immune system booster kit, which is working absolutely great. So I feel good. But I'm also drinking 3 times a day some special brew, and it's not alcohol. So I'm just about ready. I'm going to start to launch the products, our new 3 products coming out, which is basically body cleansing. Now, just so you all know, the staff that work for me are all beautiful, but they are not medical staff. They know nothing about medicine. They know about crystals, they know about oils, incense, but they know nothing about medical issues. So, just so you know, legally, by law, by the law of the land, if we start to tell you about anything medical, we could be brought to trial, prosecuted, and fined, and even jailed. So please don't ask us any questions about medicine, medication, and anything to do with that kind of thing that you need to go to speak to your GP, doctors, and that's nothing to do with us. We're not interested in anything to do with your illnesses, because we are not in the field of work of a doctor, okay? Just to verify that. So we won't answer your question. So I just said to the girls, because they're very stressed at the moment, people are asking questions that you need to go and ask, medical advice. We're just not that. We're spiritual cleansers, of clearers of negative energy. That's what we do. So, sorry guys, hand on heart, we just can't answer them messages. We can't answer them. So if you're expecting an answer, I'm afraid we can't give you one at all, and you will not receive a message back when it's got anything to do with medical advice. I needed to get that out of the way because the girls are stressed, and I'm saying we can't answer that. We can't answer that. We can get into massive trouble, and people are waiting to attack this business. They're waiting to find any way they can to get in there and shut us down. This is where we're at now. We're actually having to be very, I know it sounds really cynical. It sounds like we're paranoid, but guys, we're at that point where they're attacking people who are alternative practitioners. So please don't. Secondly, in a loving and kind way, I want to say this because a few people are sending me messages that, like, you see this here? I've had this now for, I don't know, maybe 18, 19 months, something like that. It's perfect. Where I wear it, don't ever wear it in the sea, don't wear it in the shower. I'm very careful with it, and it's perfect. But after 18 months, you can't expect to go back to a company or 8 months or 7 months and expect them to fix a piece of jewellery. The wear and tear is normal. 30 days is normally the max. That I don't think most companies what sell jewellery, you can't go back to them after a year and a half or 7 months and say, oh, it's fallen out. It's wear and tear. So what do? If this falls out, I get glue. I get special glue and glue it back in. It's that simple. These pull out. If you get these caught, right? If you catch that and pull it, it's silver. It's gonna pull out. So you have to look after your jewelry. If you're working with it and banging with it, I mean, to me, the best way to use this is wear it inside here like that, so it doesn't get caught anyway. It doesn't bang on anything when it's flying around. And don't use it when you're doing things like cleaning and running, and you wear it so that it doesn't bang around and smash. It's common sense, really, guys. If you're going to be using it on that kind of thing, well, something's gonna happen. It's just something's gonna happen. And I can't be exchanging everything. Everybody's asking me, like, we've had 2 or 3 now saying, oh, I've had it for 2 years. I've had it for 7 months. I can't do anything about that, guys. It's wear and tear. fair enough, 30 days, I'll allow that, no problem, 30 days. And, you know, if you look after it, most people, you know, it happens, you drop it, things like that, okay, whatever. But, like, seriously, please, guys, please, don't be like that. Just understand it. You go to a jeweller's, like I used to do when I started. I went to my local jewellers. I says, oh, this has come out because I bought some jewellery. It's just popped out. He says, yeah, we can glue that. Cost me €10 or €6 or €5. Some scallywags have been sending us their, because I've tried to help and said, okay, tell me how much it costs at the jewellers to repair. And they've been giving me bills of 30, 40, €50. I mean, come on, please, guys. Please, don't be like that. You know, we're trying to, you know, please everybody, but at the same time, you've got to use your common sense and don't be a scallywag. Be kind and understand that, you know. Excuse me, sir, I just bought a car off you. Yes, yeah, not happy with it. It's you know, how old is it? 5 years old. Oh, can I have another one? See you later, mate, on your bike. But yeah, Mark's a nice guy, he'll just do anything. Well, you know what, it's like, it's stressful for the staff, but listen, it's a 30-day product, right? If anything happens to it, it's genuinely happened, no problem, we sort it. No problem at all. But come on, guys, months and months and months, it's unfair. That's not fair to us. It really isn't. And I try my best to help everybody, but it's unfair. So I'm actually thinking about buying some professional glue that you can buy from us. So I'm going to put it at cost price. And you know, if it does happen to come out at any time, you've got some professional glue that you just put a dob on at the end, push it in, leave it there for a day, dries, and then it'll be as strong as an ox. So that's it, really. He's moaning today, is Mr. Bajerski. No, I'm not moaning. The staff are just getting a bit stressed, that's all. And I think, okay, I'll come and talk to them. They said, oh, don't get upset. I said, I'm not getting upset. I'm just saying it as it is. I like to be truthful. I don't like to lie. I don't like to hold things back. I like to be just truthful. You know, I will always help, and I'll do anything for anybody. But yeah, there's a point that you think, oh, there's taking the mick. It's taking the Michael. So the good news today is that the Agua de Florida, a lot of you couldn't make a purchase because we'd sold out. We've got a new box full. So we've got a box of them, which is like a carton load. And that was the last that we could get. So hopefully we can get some more in the near future. So now we're going to put them online. So if... we're going to first of all offer it to the people who couldn't buy it because it's sold out. We're going to give them the first opportunity, and then soon as we've sorted them out, we're going to put it online with a certain amount available. So if you didn't get your 2 years supply, I thought it was a brilliant offer. A brilliant offer. If you love it, then you've got it for a couple of years. Yeah. So check out online. I'll see if I've got the link and if the girls have put it up. If they have, then yeah, it's a great offer. These are doing really well, so thank you. People are loving it. Doing well meaning that you're crying, you're sharing it on your timelines, one a day, and it's making a massive difference. So thank you, guys. Thank you so much. Is there anything else? It was just like one of those, you know, videos where I just want to share how I'm feeling at the moment. Don't really want to talk too much about anything today other than we're all working really hard to try and get everything out. We're also working really hard to get, I did a giveaway for children. So we've been really working hard to get all of that out. We're all putting our time and effort into getting those crystals out, which are 95 today. We're doing our best to, you know, we've got a lot of work to do. We're very thankful for everything that's happening right now. We're actually filled with joy. We've been laughing today down at the office. I've just come back to do this video to share with you. I think we've got another maybe. I'm going to try and give it 3 weeks. 2 weeks, the girl said, but 3 weeks. The last offer on all the 8 bottles with one free. Okay, we can't do that for much longer. We're nearly down to finishing that offer. The immune system kit, we're going to keep going for as long as we can. And now we're just about to finally launch the new teas, which will be anyway. I'll surprise you with that one. So I think that's it. Anything else, guys? I don't think so. I think that's it. Please don't get me the wrong way when I said what I said. I do my best. I, honest to God, do my best to try and help people when there's a challenge in their life and something's happened to the crystal. It's very rare. It sounds like I'm like it's mayhem. It's not. It's only a few. But even just a few, please don't. It's just, please don't. Okay. I think that's it, really. We're doing our best to help as many people as we can. We're getting things out there. We're doing a lot of work every day. We're giving tons away every day. We're helping tons of people, more than we would ever share on here and let you know. So just so you know, markbajewski.com is doing a lot of hard work at the moment. So I've got my Jimi Hendrix t-shirt on. Am I a fan? Not really. I wasn't really into that kind of music, but I like the man. I like his presence. I like what he stood for, and good for him. I think I'm going to get back to work now. I've got so much to do. As you can see, I'm all over the place. But I hope I've shared all the right information. I hope you've got everything now. I'll put the links below of all of what I've spoken about today. And I wish you the most beautiful, happy, glorious day today. If I get chance in the next couple of hours, I'll try and do a nice self-help video to help you. I don't know, just post something underneath here. What do you need help with? How do you need to resolve it? Is there something that you need resolving in a spiritual manner? Any question at all? Let me see if I can answer a few of your questions today by way of just scanning down and looking at what you'd like to ask. And if I can help, I will. If I can't, I'll say I don't know, but I'll do my best. Okay, love you all. Thank you for going to markbajewski.com and supporting us. And thank you so much for understanding.